Good morning. It is 9:43 and we are headed to the Rodin Museum. It opens at 10, so we should get there before it gets busy.
It should be very exciting. Don't know if we can record in there yet. As soon as we find out, we'll let you know. This is the Burgess of Calais. After the French port Calais fell to the English, these 6 men were sentenced to death. You could see their emotion as they walked to their fate. The Gates of Hell. Based on Dante's Inferno, these doors were commissioned for the Paris Decorative Art Museum. Though the museum was never created, Rodin worked on the gates until his death in 1917. The Three Shades. Inspired by Dante's Divine Comedy, these shades, or souls of the damned, stood at the entrance to hell, pointing to an inscription, "Abandon hope, all ye enter here." Rodin was inspired by people of his past and wanted to do the same for others. That's why in his home, his works sit beside other artists in an effort to evolve the very definition of art. These are the casts of the Gates of Hell. Just amazing to see the process that this genius had to go through to make his work of art.
The Rodin Museum sculptures and paintings were astonishing and inspiring. The house itself was a work of art. We hope you enjoyed taking this tour with us today. Au revoir!